right. So I will start today's slides. I hope everyone is getting ready for your end of the year exam. Are you all ready? Anyone who has your science exam done already? Raise your hand. All not yet, right? All coming up, right? Okay, so we'll continue with the mock paper. Right, so I will need everyone to turn on your camera. So Zoe, Clarice, yeah, okay, and Eldon, camera, please. All right, Clarice, I can see you clearly. All right, so let me share the screen quickly so that I have more time to do the mock paper. Right, let me check whether you can see. Hang on, I think I'm thrown out of my handphone Zoom. Just a minute. Okay, should have, hang on. Okay, yes. No, you can't see. Okay, yes, you can see my screen already. All right. Okay, so I would like to say a big thank you to Bella, Clarice, Darius, Jerome, Ken, all right, Raj, Sanvi. Oh, sorry, there's a missing letter I, Sanvi. I'll add in the I for you later. All right, and Avi, Xander, Zoe, all right, well done. Let me just add in the missing I. Sanvi. Okay, all right, so remember to do your homework and submit your homework before the tutorial lesson. So all these students, you have earned a star, all right? Good job done. Keep up the good work. Keep it up on the submission of work. All right, so this is the house rule. Please continue to turn on your video and mute your microphone. All right, so make sure I think all of you have renamed yourself because I've taken your attendance. So use the chat to ask a question, use the chat to answer a question. If I'm going too fast or too slow, you can use the chat to give feedback. All right, so if you need to go toilet or get a glass of water, feel free to type into the chat. You need to go toilet. Don't need to ask for permission, just inform me. All right, and then when you're back, type into the chat, I'm back. Okay, so if there's anything urgent, please raise your hand and wait for my permission to unmute yourself before you speak. Now, if the teacher did not ask you for annotation, please do not annotate on my screen. Let's be respectful to one another. All right. Okay, so this is an ongoing 88 tuition promotion. Please continue to share 88 with your family and friends so that they get 25% off their first month, and you also get 25% off your next month, right? Okay, this is the first question. All right, well, I would like everybody to type your answer into the chat. Okay, well, I mark attendance for students who have just come in. There's She Yan Wei, please rename yourself. Let me see, Jerome just come in. Let me mark attendance for Jerome. She Yan Wei, may I have your name, please? All right, well done. Those of you who submitted the answers in the chat, your answers are all correct. All right, there's only one person whose attendance I can't mark because you have not renamed yourself. Oh, that's Kenshin, is it? Okay. Because I don't have your parents' full name. It's only written here as Shireen. All right, so Ken, I mark your attendance. All right, Jerome, I also mark your attendance. Okay, let me go back to the slides. All right, so you're right that once it's making food is leaves. Leaves make food. All right, so this is the leaves because they make food. And then support the plant start with S. So the word also start with S is the stem. All right, now absorbs water and absorbs mineral salts. Either you use the word minerals or you can use the word mineral salts. Both are accepted in the PSLE. All right, so this will be the roots. Okay, so the answer is quite straightforward, is A. All right, any questions so far? Now, if there's no question, then I would like everybody to give me another function of the roots. So this is the first function of the roots. Is there another function of the roots? Can everybody type into the chat, please? What is the second function of the roots? Or anyone wants to unmute yourself? Okay, well done, Darius. However, Darius, you need to add
Hold
a few
firmly
more
to the ground.
Hold the plant firmly. Okay, I'm going to write here. Hold the plant. So the roots hold the plant firmly. If you write full stop, you're wrong. All right. So Darius, you need to add a few more words to the what? Hold it firmly to your bed. Is it? It cannot be to your bed, right? Hold it firmly to the
Ground.
to the ground, all right, or the soil, up to you. Okay, either you write soil or you write ground. All right, so the key word is hold the plant firmly so that when there's a strong wind, the plant will not topple down. All right, so just take note that a lot of students always get mixed up between these two functions. So for stem is for support the plant upright. If you want to add in one more word, you can say support the plant upright. Anybody can explain to Miss Ivy, why does the plant want to grow and be supported upright, straight up? Why not be slanted, growing slanted? Why does the plant need to be supported upright, straight? Anyone? Very good, Si Yu. Very good, Darius. You get more sunlight. All right. If the plant can grow taller, the leaves will be able to reach more sunlight. Okay, so take note of that. All right, so supporting the plant upright, that is for stem. All right, so this is for stem. Hold the plant firmly to the ground, that's for roots. So do not get mixed up between these two functions. I'll use a different color, maybe blue. All right, so for roots is to hold the plant firmly to the soil or to the ground. All right, then the stem support the plant upright. So S and S, easy to remember. All right, let's move on. So this one is just a quick revision to help everyone revise for the year-end exam. So the function of the roots, the function of the stem, function of fruit, function of the leaves, and function of the flower. All right, so take note of keyword like absorb. All right, either you say hold the plant firmly to the soil, or you can say anchor the plant firmly to the soil. All right, now the stem support the plant upright. The stem is like an MRT transport system. It transport a few things, transport water and minerals from where to where, from roots to all parts of the plant. Transport food from where to where, you have to write from leaves to all parts of the plant. All right, so take note, always write down from where to where. All right, so this part is, all right, from where to where. So don't just tell me the stem transport water. Can we talk about no annotation? Thank you. All right, unless annotation is asked for. All right, so no annotation on the slide, please. Thank you. So the stem transport water and minerals, if you put full stop wrong, you must tell me transport water and minerals from where to where. So it's from the roots to all parts of the plant. Then if you say stem transport food, full stop, I give you 0. You have to tell me the stem transport food from where to where is from the leaves to all parts of the plant. Is everybody clear? All right. Okay, question 2. If M is an adult, so if M is an adult stage, what stage will the mealworm beetle eat a lot and mold a lot? Can you all type your answer into the chat? Because not everybody has submitted your answers. For those of you who have submitted your answers, right, 3 of you got this wrong. All right, and you cannot afford to get this wrong. Can I get Ken, Sanvi, and Xander to try this again, please? Because you got it wrong in your submission. All right. So first of all, maybe I help everyone. First, answer my question. Can you name me? All right, name the 4 stages in the life cycle. All right, can everybody name me the 4 stages in the life cycle? Someone unmute yourself quickly.
Egg, larva, pupa, adult.
Thank you. All right, 8, larva, pupa, adult. Now, all these are easy questions, so I don't want to waste too much time asking you all to type in the chat. Otherwise, we have less time for revision. All right, so the memory aid is ELPA. It sounds like papa, right? Your papa, ELPA. All right, so you have 8. Let me highlight it for you. So 8, larva, pupa, adult. Okay, so these are the 4 stages. So if this one is adult, so obviously, where is the egg? Which stage is the egg? Okay, well done, Irvi. I saw your type answer. Which stage is the egg? Everyone? Well done, Raj. All right, J is the egg, right? So this has to be egg. And then K has to be larva. So 8 larva, then pupa, adult. All right, so 8 larva, pupa, adult, 8 larva, pupa, adult. Then can everybody type into the chat, who will molt? Which stage will molt and eat a lot? Which stage? Is it 8 stage, larva stage, pupa stage, or adult stage? Which stage will molt? Zenda, okay, well done, Zenda, well done, Samvi. All right, so it's the larva stage. Okay, well done, Si Yu. Some of you give me the letters, well done, Ken, all right? So if I miss out on your answer, don't get angry. Let me see, did I miss out any answers? All right, so lava stage, I have answers from Avi, Samvi, Xander, Samvi, Clarice, Zoe, Raj, Ken, Siyi, Darius. Okay, well done. So lava will mold. All right. So the answer is you want the lava one. So lava is K. So the answer is B. All right, so Ken, Samvi, and Xander, please let me know if you understand why the answer is B, because in your submission you got this wrong. If you still don't understand, type into the chat, I don't understand. I'll be very happy to help you. Cannot keep quiet if you don't understand. Nothing shameful about telling me you don't understand. Just say I don't understand so that I can explain further to help you. I'll be happy to help you so you don't keep quiet if you don't understand. Okay? So Ken, Samvi, and Xander, okay? Okay, Xander has a question. Thank you for asking this question. Why can't it be any of the letters for 8? Very good question from Xander. So Xander is saying, why can't 8 be L? Why must 8 be J? Now, if L is 8, let's try. I'm going to use another color. So let's say I use blue. If this one is 8, if L is 8, then you follow the arrow. You follow this arrow, right? Then M will be lava. 8 lava. Then here will be pupa. Then here will be adult. 8 lava, pupa, adult. Here the question says M represents the adult stage. All right, they want M to be adult. They don't want M to be lava. Xander, do you understand already? So I cannot have 8 in the L stage. Let me erase this. All right, so because the question already told me, maybe I'll highlight for you. If M represents the adult stage. All right, so M is adult stage. Is everyone clear? Xander, okay? Let me know if you still don't understand. Just type in the chat, don't understand. All right. Okay, so can I move on? Okay, next, before I go on, can everyone, I'm going to ask extra question. Can you name me the 3 stages? If I have 3 stages, name the 3 stages. For example, cockroach. If it's a 3-stage life cycle, can everybody name me the 3 stages? If it's a cockroach. Okay, well done, Siyi. The rest? Well done, Sanvi, Jerome, Raj, Zoe, well done. So it will be 8, Neem. Xander, I'm talking about name the 3 stages. All right, 8, Neem, adult. So the short form is ENA, E-N-A. All right, 8, Neem, adult. Okay, now which stage will molt? Can everybody type into the chat? Just now we say lava molt, right? Okay, 8 lava, pupa, adult. That's for 4-stage life cycle. Lava will molt. For 3-stage life cycle, ENA, ENA, which stage will molt? Eldon, the video will be recorded by 88 Tuition. All right, so we don't really need students to record on your own. All right, all the videos will be recorded so you can play back today's lesson recording. All right, by going to the portal. If you face any technical issues, you can call the technical helpline. If you don't have the technical helpline, let me know. I can share the helpline number with you later. All right, well done. Darius, Raj, Siyi, name or molt. All right, so let me write here in red. So neem also can molt. All right. So let me highlight the important one maybe in red. So where's my highlighter in red? So here neem will molt. Here lava will molt. All right. So take note. All right. Lava will molt. Neem also molt. All right. So let's move on. Okay, so this one is the memory 8, or maybe before I ask you, maybe I ask everyone, which animals lay eggs in water? Type in the chat. Give me 2 animals in your PSLE syllabus that lay eggs in water. Okay, which animal lay eggs in water? See whether you can give me 2 animals. Now, grasshopper, Darius, grasshopper will drown in water. Grasshopper cannot go inside water. Grasshopper will lay eggs on the land. All right. So only Raj is able to give me both animals together with Si Yu and Ken, except for all the spelling error.